PREZO GRAMMY. I never cruise rappers, man. Sierra Leone, West Africa. The only Judas I know, man, is the betrayer, you know what I'm saying? Uganda, you ready? Bombard these niggas. Yo, Judas, listen, you motherfucker. I'm a terror, I'm a nightmare, I go bigger. You the rap knowledge, never been to college, yeah. The joker, I go deeper. Sierra Leone on my back like gold digger. You spitting, but you spitting mess. Judas, keep the keys to yourself. The best you can do, elevate your sense. Pay respect to the king. Or S, before you test the king, bring yourself to the ring. I can make you change over from rap to sing. Your rap are slim, really ka assassin. Mr. Grammy wala casa, the rap machine. I'm the rap encyclopedia, the rap Wikipedia. When I go with Judas, the disciple is the only one I know. I make it training Kampala. Hits back, nigga, I bring the snow for the stupid rappers, yeah. I bring the school, grab a book campaign, let me teach you how you should do. I'm better than the whole rappers in your motherland. Trip of rappers like Breeze, yeah. Hammer San Judas, you fucking snitch to Christ. Kiss on the jaw, what a great surprise. Sign up your death warrant and pay the price. I'm a blessing, nigga, you are causing disguise. What it takes to be on the ground in SL is what it takes to be at senior president. In Uganda, you are fucking blunder. Keep your mouth shut or I'll let the fuck out of you. Call it the fans stupid, who the hell are you? This your last supper. The king is elephants, you are grasshopper. Go down your knees, nigga, say your last prayer. I can predict the future like a soothsayer. Judas, we got no issue to discuss. All I know about you, your whole generation is cuss. You are nothing, nigga, betrayal, got no trust. PREZO GRAMMY for real, I'm your biggest boss. Really can fight? Just prepare your casket. Broke ass nigga, no food in your basket. Your flow are sinking, you need a life jacket. Fake commodity, no value in the market. Say you never knew of rappers in SL, you might be crazy or you lost your sense. Kenyatta challenge goes MC, I'm so consistent. Minister of rap defense, I'm a superstar. You are just a fluorescent. You just play around like a prodigal son. You are like a pillow, so weak, you're not strong. My freestyle better than your whole song. I'm like pizza, nigga, I speak in tongue. I rep Sierra Leone, West Africa. I'm so flammable like Africans, my flow cross boundaries. Without a pass, I'm the next of king of African rap. You are just like Gallo. How can a bed box stand a fight with Buffalo? You're not a rapper, but child of a ghetto. True definition of son of King Pharaoh. Betray Christ for 20 coins, is so stupid. Sinful Judas, yeah, you so wicked. Claiming be among best rappers, get your ass seated. No space for whack rapper like you, I'm so rugged. I had this little cockroach from Niger. Henry Jones seems like he's sent by somebody. When I check out his flows, he's nobody. Really, I'm your daddy. Abomination to Niger over my dead body. Salomo Bonami, East Africa, get ready. Heading for the crown, we got no time wasting. Hit them up like Tupac, my flow deadly. Calligraph Jones, shh, shut the fuck up. G, it is what it is, yo. Ayo G rhymes, turn up the sounds a little bit. I'm a earthquake right now in Kampala. This rapper ain't regular, ain't reliable, man. If Judas betray Christ, next he will betray Uganda. PREZO GRAMMY, Sierra Leone, West Africa. LSE to the wall, next of king of African rap. Wait, yeah. Pay respect to whom respect is due. Sierra Leone is never known for only blood diamonds. Never. Let me speak this to your ass, nigga. This your borderline. This your borderline. You never gonna cross, man. PREZO GRAMMY. Respect the Sierra boys, you know what I mean? Wala casa.